blunts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's lime. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checker line. Better watch your step or you gon' meet the other side. Heard that boy, he was a rat, the hood where he reside. I'ma keep my distance, can't get caught up with the lies. If you with the gang, I'ma split it like a pie. Back to another video, 100% throttle. Nah, let me stop playing. But yeah, man, I'm trying to clean my dang Coolant Reservoir. So we got this acidic toilet bowl cleaner right here, and we're gonna give it a try, man. We're gonna see if it worked. Now, I've been researching online, right, previously before this, and like I've been seeing people use different products, and basically what I noticed, everybody been using acidic products that got acid in it. This one got hydrofluoric acid in it. Right here on the back, like when you go shopping, you look at me, see if I can. Why is that glowing up blue? Oh, cause of my laptop is in the back, which is weird. Whatever. I ain't even trying to do. But yeah, it says, I'm gonna show a picture of it where you can find it at for people who don't know. But I'm gonna show you where a picture at. But this is it right here. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna show y'all my Coolant Reservoir. That's what I'm trying to clean. So, yeah, we're gonna see if it's working or not. So, we're gonna test this out, man. We're gonna see. Alright, this also a how-to. Product review, how-to. Alright, what's up, everybody? We back here in the kitchen. This is my Coolant Reservoir right here. So, it's pretty dirty, as you can see. So, this is gonna be the before. Yeah, man, she dirty, bro. Inside dirty, like, come on, man. Look at that gunk. Gunk is coming out. So, I got my bucket right here to throw it back in there. We got the folic acid. Let me show y'all where it say folic acid too. Hydrochloric acid. Boom. So we got that. So we're gonna see if this works, man. So basically what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna pour some of this in here and give it a little shake up, and then I'm gonna do it a couple times, then I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days. So I'm gonna show y'all what I would do. All right, everybody, we back. I like to keep things nice and simple, man. So all you needed to do was get the toilet bowl cleaner that I had, the same kind. You pour some in, shake it up, pour it out, do that a couple times, pour some more in. Again, hot water, right? When we're using warm, hot water, right? So, boom, you just plug the holes. Hopefully they hold. I'm hoping they hold. They might not. They might. If they do, I just fill it back up and redo it. But boom, I'm finna let it sit right here in my sink. Well, I ain't finna let it sit in my sink. I'm finna move it to my bucket. But like, I'm finna let it sit in the sink for a little bit, just so it can sit at this angle that I like. But I'm finna let it sit here overnight for 24 hours. So tomorrow I'm finna come back around the same time, and we're gonna see what it look like, man. We're gonna see if it's clean. Hopefully it is, because bro, another one of these is more expensive than what you think. You'll think one of these probably like 30. No, these are in the hundreds. Like, you got to spend over $100 for a brand new one. So we're gonna see if we can get this right, y'all. So wish me luck. See y'all 24 hours. Bye. Day. It's been about 24 hours. Now, as you can see, like, I haven't touched it. I've been leaving it like this. And as you can see, like, even like the outside, like, it's like even the discoloration is coming back more clear. I didn't shake it up yet. I ain't do nothing to it, bro. Like, it just been sitting. So you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna shake it up real quick, and then shit, we're gonna see what it look like. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like once I shake it up. I ain't gonna empty it. I'm gonna just shake it up, and then I'm gonna show you, because I only got one hand right now for this. So I'm gonna shake it up first, show y'all what it like after I shake it up, and then I'm gonna empty it after. I done finished washing it out. It took me a little minute because it was a whole bunch of soap in these upper little cavities right here. So you want to make sure you get all that soap out. You don't want no soap in there. Shake it around, make sure. And then I also had like a little air blow dryer thing, so I blew the rest of the water out and stuff like that. And then I've just basically been having it sit in front of, I'm finna sit in front of a fan, and I'm finna let it dry out. But yeah, man, like, like, honestly, bro, I could do another run. I could do another run. I just don't like really feel like it, and I ran out of all the stuff. So, But so like this, if I do another run, I'm pretty sure this could be pretty clean. But I looked inside, like it's barely anything in there. This is good for me. So we're gonna let it dry and then we're gonna put it back on the car.
Can I record?
Alright, y'all, so I just got it started, man. You feel me? I got a Diablo hooked up, you feel me? We're gonna go out to the front. Got the coolant tank in. Right now we just got it started.
It's smoking like
So
shit.
right now we just got it running right now. So this is what she's sounding like, bro. We haven't took her for a drive yet. She kind of sound the same though. She's chopping the same. So we gonna figure out what's going on with this motherfucker. Let's look at these gauges. Let's look at some diagnostics first. Let's see what this shit talking about. Let's see what kind of trouble codes she throwing. What is that? Circuit low. System too lean. Okay, so it says system too lean, but right now so far it's running pretty good. So I'm gonna look at the gauges and then I'm gonna talk to my tuner, see if we can get some data logs. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Tell them what's up, man.
What's up? What's up?
Yes, sir. We chillin'. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna probably have one of these little jits record, but for now, oh yeah, done popped up. Let's see.
What's that bullshit getting
Alright, so everything looking kind of good. We finna wait. I'm finna email my tuner and we gonna see what the deal is.
Doing donuts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's line. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checkered line. Better watch your step or you gon' meet the other side. Heard that boy, he was a rat, the hood where he reside. I'ma keep my distance, can't get caught up with the lies. If you with the game,